Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by confirming you have an administrator account and that any work is saved. This prevents lost data when network services restart. Once ready, open Settings, then Network and Internet, or press Win+R, type NCPA. CPL, and hit Enter to open network connections. Make sure to visually identify the active VPN adapter or the third-party client process. This is the one you will disable. Doing this first prevents confusion and ensures the correct service is targeted. Next, right-click the VPN adapter in Network Connections and choose Disable. This immediately severs the tunnel at the network layer. If you use a third-party VPN app, quit it from the system tray or open Task Manager to end its background service, because some clients re-enable adapters. Once done, go to Settings VPN and remove any saved connection profiles so Windows doesn't auto-reconnect later. Make sure to watch for status changes. The adapter will show as disabled or disconnected. Finally, re-enable your regular Wi-Fi or Ethernet adapter and confirm internet connectivity by loading a web page. This verifies traffic is now direct. If routing or DNS issues persist, restart the PC to clear cached routes and services. As a fallback, use Device Manager to reinstall network drivers or run Settings Network and Internet Network Reset. This restores default networking if a client altered adapters. If you still see VPN behavior, check for leftover services and
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.